I'm Dr. Chidinma from Dr. Care 247, and I'll be teaching you today how to check your blood pressure by yourself. So let's go. So first things first, tip number one, make sure you don't check your blood pressure within 30 minutes of eating, exercising, or drinking strong drinks like alcohol, caffeine, or even smoking, because all those things temporarily increase your blood pressure and we don't want that. Tip number two is to relax for 5 minutes before you check your blood pressure. And how we do that is that, number one, if you want to use the toilet or if you want to go to the toilet to ease yourself, please do that before you check your blood pressure, and you have to relax for 5 minutes before the whole process starts. And then how you do that is you keep your hands on the table, you keep your feet firmly on the floor, do not cross your legs. You keep your feet firmly on the floor, your hands on the table, and you stay quiet and relaxed for 5 minutes. And also note, you have to make sure that you are not wearing a tight wristwatch. You might even decide to remove the wristwatch entirely, and make sure your blood pressure machine is working really good before you start this process. Step number three, if you are wearing a long sleeve like me, make sure you fold it upwards, but make sure it's not too tight. Like you can see, mine is not too tight. Then you get your blood pressure cuff and you open it. And as you can see, this point, make sure you watch this point. You put it above your arm, measure 2 fingers, right? 2 finger rule. Put 2 fingers above your elbow, right? Part of your cuff should coincide with your palms, your middle finger, just like this, right? And make sure you keep your palms facing upwards, like this. Keep it facing upwards. Make the cuff 2 finger breadth above your elbow, just like this. Continue with the process. That's step 3. Step number 5, make sure when you've started checking your blood pressure, there's no talking, no laughing, no chewing. You are just calm and still for the duration for the blood pressure check, because making any form of movement or laughing, chewing, all those things can slightly increase your blood pressure, and we want to try to be as accurate as possible. So step number 6, and this is equally important, make sure you check your blood pressure twice. The first time, and then 1 minute after the first time you will check it again, so you can compare the 2 values that you get. Final message to everyone is to please make sure you check your blood pressure every day, especially if you are 30 and above. So after checking your blood pressure, if you notice that it is a bit elevated from the normal level, which is 120/80, then you can consult with any of us, any of the doctors on the app, where we will tell you the next step and the appropriate measures to take to control your blood pressure. See you next time. Bye.